On to Chapter 8. The final. So I had to do that, guys. I just usually like making that noise. Chapter 8. My dogman has fleas. Well, I guess Hey, what's that? What is it, Papa? It's that shrink I dropped back in Chapter 5. Oh, yeah. I wonder if it still works. Let's find out. Yep, it worked. Sweet. Hey gang, Petey saved the day. Hooray for Petey. Okay, Dogman, hand it over. Okay, Dogman, hand it over. Drop it. Seriously, give me the bad guys. Come on, Dogman. I have to take them to mini jail. Let go. Give it. Snap. They're gone. Now look what you've done. The bad guys got away again. I wonder where they went. It sure is a mystery. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Oh well, I have a feeling we'll never hear from them again. Something tells me the same thing. Well, come on, Petey. It's time to go back to jail. Wait, what? I've got to put you back in kitty custody. But I'm a good guy now. I know, but you still got to pay for the crimes you did yesterday. And the day before that. And the day before that. And well, that's just great. I was good for, like, the whole book. And it didn't make any difference. Now the Bug Knight and Petey are wondering why. Dogman, I'm gonna go with them, okay? Don't worry, Chief. Don't worry. Chief will walk me home. Good night, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow. Hey, wait up. Are you sad, Papa? No, I'm mad. Why? Why? Because it's just like when I was a kid. Life is pointless. If you're good, nobody cares. You gotta be good anyway, Papa. If you're kind, people just think you're weak. You gotta be kind anyway, Papa. If you're honest, people just try to trick you. You gotta be honest anyway, Papa. If you're happy, people just get jealous. You gotta be happy anyway, Papa. You can spend years creating stuff, then a big robot, Bonosaurus, can come along and zap it all to smithereens in 2 seconds. You gotta be creative anyway, Papa. You can change, Petey and Papa, like your clone said. Yeah. That's easy for you to say. You're just a kid. You don't know what a rotten, horrible place this world can be. It can be so cold, so cruel, so unforgiving. But Papa, that's why we need to be good. Blah. You guys are so sweet. Mind your own beeswax. You rubbernecker. Now Chief is crying. leading them to cat jail. Petey, you're back. Hey kid, you wanna get some gelato with me after I escape tomorrow? I don't know what gelato is, but okay. Now they hug each other. Aww. Little Petey and Petey hugging each other. Well, so long, Petey. Good night, Chief. Now little Petey is walking with Chief. They're still walking. Still walking. Hey, Chief, what's gelato? It's like ice cream. Oh, sweet. The end. Now on to Grime and Punishment next, guys.